Battle between PP and PPSU for plastic water cups Part 1. Every cup tells a story, and every moment warms your life. Hello everyone, welcome to Dog Dong Talks Cups. In the previous two episodes, we thoroughly compared PC and PCDG to common transparent plastic materials for water cups, helping many of you steer clear of unsafe materials. Today, let's continue our professional sharing and start a new round of comparison. PP versus PPSU. Both materials are widely popular for water cups and baby products. They are BPA-free, food-safe and heat-resistant, commonly used for baby cups, feeding bottles and other food-grade drinking vessels. However, many buyers and consumers fail to tell them apart. There is a huge gap in cost, performance and durability between the two. One is an affordable basic option, while the other is a high-end choice specially made for mothers and babies. Today, we will analyze them in detail with professional test data from our factory. First, let's look at the fundamental performance and tensile properties based on tests conducted by our in-house material engineers. Let's start with PP, the most widely used material. It has a tensile strength of 30 to 35 megapascals. Though it offers decent toughness for daily use, it lacks rigidity and deforms easily under pressure. Its notched impact strength ranges from 40 to 50 kilojoules per square meter, meeting basic drop resistance requirements. Even so, it has obvious drawbacks. The surface gets scratched easily and the material ages rapidly with long-term repeated use. PP products are generally milky white or frosted translucent with a matte finish. The biggest issue is staining and odor retention. When filled with coffee, fruit juice or tea, pigments and odors will stick firmly to the inner wall and can hardly be removed even after repeated cleaning. In contrast, high-grade PPSU outperforms PP in all aspects. It boasts a tensile strength of 70 to 75 megapascals, featuring excellent rigidity and toughness. It will neither deform nor crack under pressure. Its impact strength reaches 80 to 90 kilojoules per square meter, nearly double that of PP. With outstanding impact resistance, wear resistance and anti-aging performance, PPSU cups can last several times longer than PP ones. PPSU features an elegant amber translucent appearance with a porcelain-like texture and higher material density. It resists stains and odor absorption completely, so it can be cleaned effortlessly with just plain water. Next, let's focus on the maximum temperature resistance, corrosion resistance and applicable scenarios, key factors for purchasing and product selection. The heat deflection temperature of PP is between 110 degrees centigrade and 120 degrees centigrade. It is also the only plastic for water cups that can be used in a microwave, with a low temperature resistance down to -20 degrees centigrade. Nevertheless, it has notable weaknesses. Long-term exposure to hot water and repeated sterilization will cause the cup to turn yellow, age and deform quickly. It also has poor acid and alkali resistance. Storing carbonated drinks, fruit juice or coffee for a long time will gradually corrode the material and shorten the cup's service life greatly. PPSU is a medical-grade material tailored for mother and baby products. Its heat deflection temperature hits 180 degrees centigrade to 207 degrees centigrade. It stands up to boiling water, high-temperature steaming and frequent steam sterilization. It can withstand temperatures as low as -50 degrees centigrade and sudden temperature changes without any damage. It also delivers exceptional chemical stability, resisting acids, alkalis and grease. You can use it to hold all kinds of daily drinks safely. It never ages, deforms or releases harmful substances even under prolonged, high temperatures and frequent disinfection, fully meeting the strict requirements for maternal and infant use. A quick note to all viewers and business partners. This episode is compiled directly from the original test reports of our factory's material engineers, so it retains strong professionalism and may sound a little formal. We hope you understand. There is so much to cover about production tests and purchasing guidance for PP and PPSU, so we have split the content into two episodes. The next part will be presented in a simpler way, focusing on your concerns about selection, pricing and target users. We are a professional water cup manufacturer, sharing real production experience and practical know-how. If you want to learn more about these two premium plastics, as well as cup design solutions and real industry cases. Stay tuned to Dong Dong Talks Cups. Hit the follow button, and you will be notified as soon as new content is released.